you have diabetic type 2? Diabetic type 2 is a disease. Basically, you get a bit of a later age due to your lifestyle. When you have been diagnosed with diabetic type 2, you basically have to minus 10 years because that's when you was pre-diabetic. Diabetic is not diagnosed and you don't get it immediately like that. It's all basically what you have done last 10 years. How was your diet and that. So when you have high sugar and you're on medication but your sugar level is still not controlled, it can cause other complications. When your body is having a lot of sugar, it can go to your heart, so it can cause heart disease and also stroke, because diabetes increases the risk of this because of the impact of the high sugar at the blood vessels. You can also get diabetic neuropathy, where it damages your kidney. So high blood sugar can damage the kidney over time and leading to kidney failure. Once you have kidney failure, then you'd have to do dialysis regularly. There's no other treatment, or you have to do a kidney transplant. It can cause neuropathy, nerve damage. You will start having numbness on your fingers and also your toes, and you can have pain due to it on your feet and your hands, and this is because of high sugar in your body. It could also cause eye problem. So if you have diabetic, you need to check your eyes at least once a year to see whether you have diabetic retinopathy, where there will be leakage of proteins and of the vessels, where it lead to vision problem, and it also can cause blindness. So it's very important to check your eyes. Also foot problem. So before going to bed, put a mirror underneath your foot to check whether you have any wound. Even a wound as small as a needle prick can cause diabetic ulcer, because when you have diabetic, your wound not going to heal as normal. Healing process will get delayed and there'll be infections, and they might cause other complications like amputation. So how to prevent type 2 diabetic? So before you get diabetic, it's very important for you to prevent it. How? It's very simple. You have to maintain healthy weight. If you're thinking you're gaining weight, you have to take immediate control so that you maintain the weight and not going up so much, and make sure it's in your right BMI. You're not obese or even overweight, and make sure your waist hip ratio is always normal. And stay active, always move. Even though you're working in a place where you have to sit for a long hours, make sure in between going for a lunch break or what, try to walk a bit more after work. Walk, move. It's as simple as walking will help to make you stay active. And eat healthy diet as much as possible. Even if you have to eat outside, look for more vegetables, healthy fruits, and also less carbs and no sugar at all if possible. Avoid smoking, because smoking can cause the risk of diabetic. And regular health checkup. If not done any blood test, don't wait. Do it today.